Hi folks, and welcome to this basics video. Today I'm going to be making a bechamel sauce on the wood stove. I've got a small cast iron pan. To this I'm going to add half an onion which has been studded with 2 whole cloves and 1 bay leaf. I'm going to cover this with 500 grams of whole milk. We need to bring this to the boil. As soon as it's come to the boil, we need to remove it from the stove and let it sit to infuse the flavour. Just need to catch it before it boils over. Just in time. Right, I'm going to put a medium-sized skillet on the wood stove, let it warm up. To this I'm going to add 50 grams of butter, which we need to melt. We don't want this to colour, we just want to melt it, so we need to keep moving it. Once we've melted the butter, we're going to add 50 grams of plain flour, and we're going to work this in until it forms our roux, which is a thick paste. So there we have our roux. We're just going to work this around, keeping it moving, and just cut the rawness out of the flour, probably a couple of minutes. Once we've cooked it through, we're going to add the milk back. We removed the onion from the milk. I'm just going to add this milk a little bit at a time. Keep on moving it, stirring it into the roux. Just keep on adding a bit at a time. You can see bringing the roux together to make the sauce. Make sure we use all the milk. There we have it, one bechamel sauce. If you like what we're doing here with Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.